Welcome back to another video with Miss Curdy, and today we're going to work on solving addition problems, and we're going to be focusing on 3-digit addition with regrouping. So for this video you need this follow along sheet. It's from topic 9 and I wrote a giant A at the top so you were able to quickly grab this one. There are several versions of this floating around, so make sure you have the one with the A. The problems that we're going to be working on today, I've highlighted number 1, 3, 4, 9, 10, and 12. Those are our 3-digit addition with regrouping. Now, before we get started, there's 2 ways you can use this video. The first way, if you're feeling very confident about your 3-digit addition, you can solve each problem and then press play on the video to watch me solve it. So for example, you would pause our video, solve problem number 1, and once you had your answer, your sum, you could press play and watch me solve it. Pause the video again to work on to the next problem, and then press play again to check your answer. Now, the second way you can use this, if you're feeling less confident at this point about your addition, is you can actually follow along and solve the first few problems right along with me, and I'll be going through each step and talking through my thinking as I go. Once you've done 1, 2, maybe 3 problems with me, you could then pause the video and try the next one on your own, press play and check your answer, and then pause again and continue pausing and then pressing play to check your answers with me. Either way, whatever works best for you, go ahead and do that. Okay, so if you want to pause the video now to work on number 1, you can. If not, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So what we have here is 356 plus 325. And just looking at my ones column, I'm going to zoom in over here so we can see the problem better. Looking at my ones place, I am noticing that it is going to be more than 10, so I will need to do some regrouping, and that's okay. So 6 plus 5 I know is 11, so I'm going to take my ones down here, that 1, 1, and my 1, 10, and regroup it up in the tens column. 1 10 plus 5 tens is 6 tens, plus 2 more tens would give me 8 tens, so I'm going to put an 8 in my tens place. And then 3 plus 3, 300s plus 300 is 600. So my total comes out to 681. So once again, we're going to work on problem number 3 next. So if you would like to pause the video and solve it, you may do so now. All right, let's take a look. 7 ones plus 3 ones gives me 10 ones. So I can bundle that into 1 10 with 0 ones left over. 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens, plus 4 tens is 7 tens. I'll put my 7 down there. And then 500s plus 100 is 600. So my sum is 670. On to problem 4. We have 350 plus 146. I'm going to start in my ones place. 0 ones plus 6 ones gives me a total of 6. 5 tens plus 4 tens is 9 tens, and 300 plus 100 is 400. No regrouping on this problem, and my sum is 496. So at this point, if you have been following along and adding these numbers together with me, you might want to pause the video now and try number 9 on your own, and then meet me back here to find the sum. Okay, let's get started. Here I have 5 ones plus 7 ones, and that gives me a total of 12. I'm going to put my 1 10 up here and my 2 10s here. Now into my tens column, I have 1 10 plus 5 tens gives me 6 tens, plus 7 tens gives me 13 tens. I'm going to take 10 of those tens and bundle it into 100, and those 3 tens down here will be written as such. 100 plus 200 is 300, plus 500 is 800. So my total is 832. Now on this problem I had to regroup twice, where for problems 1 and 3 it was only 1 regrouping. Let's take a look at 10. Once again, if you want to try it on your own first, you can pause the video and then check your sum with mine. 5 ones plus 8 ones is 13 ones. I'm going to put my 3 ones down here and bundle up that 10 up there. 8 tens plus 1 10 is 9 tens, plus 3 more tens gives me 12 tens. I'm going to bundle 10 of those as 100 and put my extra 2 tens down here. 500 plus 100 is 600, plus 2 more is 800, so I have 823. And our last problem for today is number 12. Once again, you can pause the video now, solve this one on your own, and then meet me right back here for our final answer. 8 ones plus 4 ones is 12 ones. I'm going to bundle 10 of those ones here, and the extra 2 ones will stay in our ones column. 1 10 plus 5 tens is 6 tens. Adding on another 6 gives me 12 tens. I'm going to take 10 of those tens and bundle them up here as 100, and those extra 2 tens will be down here. 100 plus 500 is 600, plus 1 more 100 is 722. So that concludes our problems for this sheet. So go ahead and take a moment and you can check all 6 of your answers now, and you can rewatch this video if you need to see any of these problems again. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.